everyone. This is an open networking part of the IBP Business Networking Meets. We will begin our meeting right now. Thank you members for joining today's meeting. I'm Kiran Gulani, main co-founder of IBP Group. Indian Business Professionals IBP started in June 2020 from Mumbai and slowly built up its network in all over India as WhatsApp Business Networking Group. Currently, IBP got its presence in Mumbai, Gujarat, Delhi, Kolkata and South India with local business owners. I'm sure now everyone got few ideas about what IBP Group is all about. Now we are going to start our meeting shortly. Today's meeting will be hosted by Roop Lakhani as captain and Sumi Ajmera as a vice captain. Now, I'm going to tell you the details about today's meeting. Business Success Mantra session. Today's speaker is Sumi Ajmera. Premium members 90 seconds self-introduction about their registered business category. Regular members 60 seconds self-introduction about their registered business category. Feature presentation of our two premium members of 6 minutes each. Reference sharing and collaboration sessions. High tea sessions will be the canteen of the institute on ground floor. Now handing over to the captain, Roop Lakhani, to start the meeting. Over to Roop Lakhani.
Thank you, Kiran. Good afternoon, everyone, and warm welcome to IBP Premium Members 1 Chapter. I'm Roop Lakhani, captain of today's meeting. As your captain, my role is to host the part of the meeting, ensuring that we follow the design program of IBP which helps our members to grow their business. Now, I'm handing over to Vice Captain Sumi.
Thanks, Sumi. Good evening, everyone. I'm Sumi Ajmera, Vice Captain of today's meeting, and will be presenting the chapter's performance report later part of the meeting. Also educate you about privileges of being a premium member. Now I will introduce you today's management team. Chaitali Bhattacharya, leadership team. Sonia Punjabi, leadership team and discipline in charge. Dr. Malhar Tina, senior interview anchor IBP News. Amit Thakkar, thumbnail designer IBP News. Pushpalata Chaure, IBP trainer. Mitakshara Shirgaonkar, IBP trainer. Jay Shinde, IBP graphic designer. Satish Balkrishnan, video journalist, IBP News. Pijushkar, video journalist, IBP News. Nuruddin Mukati, IBP marketing team. Nikita Dedia, IBP marketing team. Suraj Bakale, IBP marketing team. Roshni Arora, IBP marketing team. Soha Sarkar, IBP News music composer cum anchor. Also thanks to our IBP founder, Mr. Subrato Chaudhary, for joining us today in this meeting and always giving us an excellent support and motivation. Back to our Captain Roop.
Thank you, Sumi. So now is the time in this meeting for a special training session. Members, as we all know, that if anyone wants to become a successful businessman or businesswoman, he or she must know about the various business success mantras. Now going to request our today's business success mantra session speaker, Miss Sumi Ajmera. Her topic will be right mindset for the networking. Sumi, you will get 5 minutes for your session. Please start now.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, IBP. Hello. Can I get a hello from everyone so that you all wake up? Hello. Okay. How many of you all are here for business? Sure? Sure? How many of you all are here who have a vision to reach a crore? Yeah. Do you all have a vision? Sure? Great. मैंने टाइमलाइन तो बताया नहीं, आपने पूछा भी नहीं, but ठीक है. मौका ही नहीं मिला. I know. So, if you all want to reach a crore, all you need to do is roar like a lion. Okay? Lion कैसे roar करता है सबको पता है? Exactly. So, more the energy, more the activities that we do, more the participation that we do, we can definitely get our crore in our hands faster. So are you all ready to roar for a crore? Yes. Great. In a count of 1, 2, 3, all I want is lot of claps. Okay? 1, 2, 3. More further, further. More you more, much closer to your goal. Thank you. So here let's start with our topic, that is mindset of business networking. फर्स्ट टिप तो मैंने ऑलरेडी बता दिया, एनर्जी हमको हमारे साथ रखनी है हमेशा. जस्ट अगेन अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन व्हिच आई आस्क्ड, व्हाट ब्रॉट यू हियर टुडे? व्हाट आर द आंसर्स दैट आई कैन एक्सपेक्ट टुडे? व्हाट गॉट यू, व्हाट इज योर एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम टुडेज फोरम?
Friendship and then business.
Friendship and then business. Others? Any other answers?
Relationship and
Relationship, okay. Any other answers?
collaboration.
Meet new people, collaboration, more networking, visibility. Anything else?
Sharing ourselves and then
Perfect. So that is exactly which I also think you are here for, either to create a bond or to grow your business or looking for collaborations. And there are few members who may say I am here forcefully being sent. मैनेजर ने भेजा या शुभ्रता ने बताया कि आ जाओ करके, whatever, that there can be few people who are here from force reason as well. Anyone who are here forcefully? Anyone? Okay, एक हाथ मिला मुझे. Anyone else? Okay, so I will just explain you. अगर आप यहाँ पे आए हो, your mindset is going to help you to get whatever you want. Just to prove this, I'll do a simple small activity with you all and you all need to participate. Okay? थोड़ा seriously करना और entertainment point of view से ही करना. Okay? All you need to do is, I'm giving you 30 seconds. You need to identify maximum red color things around you. Maximum red color things, whatever you can identify. You don't need to tell me now. You just identify. Okay? Now everyone close your eyes. Be faithful to yourself. Trust yourself. Close your eyes. Everyone close your eyes. And try to recollect at least 5 things which are in blue. जैसे ही होता है हाथ ऊपर रेस करना, आंख बंद ही रखते हुए. Okay? Open your eyes. How many found it difficult? How many could not recollect anything? जबकि blue color चीजें भी काफी आजू बाजू में है, correct? If nothing else, then bottle which we everyone had in our hand. Okay? So that is exactly what is our mindset and how it does, what it does. जो भी हम हमारे दिमाग में सोच कर आते हैं, वही चीज है जो यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्ट होती है. So if your mindset says I am forcefully here, you are definitely going to get 0 results. If you come up with a mindset of collaboration, you will do collaboration. If you come here with a mindset of growing your business, you will grow your business. If you have come only for friends, you will get only friends. So next time when I ask you why are you here, what should be the answer? You are here for business. Business comes with friends, relations, bonds, everything. So business is the word why we are here, and let's be faithful to ourselves. So what we focus on is always what we get. That is the key message which I wanted to give. Do I have last 1 minute more? Great. I just need one volunteer, someone who said who is forcefully here. Can you please stand up? I'll try to make your day today.
I am a premium member because Subrata convinced me for it and I appreciate his efforts.
I'm very happy about that.
He forced me, I am here with
And I'll try to make your day today. So I want you to remain stand today for just 1 more minute. What is your dream connect that you're looking for?
So not a specific company but any corporate setup का HR manager or decision maker.
How many of you all here knows HR managers whom you can connect
HR
with?
manager or company secretary.
What do you offer?
Cost training services. I am
Okay. So
I better today.
what more can be your referral partners? Who can be your referral partners?
Chartered accountants, company secretaries, HR managers who have.
We have one CS here, right?
Yes, I met.
So who else can refer her to CS corporate HRs, one more referral for you. Who else can do that? One more. और कौन है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 तो मिल गए. मैं भी हूँ. 6, 7 और कौन है?
बढ़िया है.
Okay. So all you need to do is ask, and everyone. Thank you very much for volunteering. You definitely need a dream connect that should be in your brains. If you have, you will get it. Okay. So yeah, aim for more, go for more. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Sumi. Your session was really useful and interesting.